Air Marshal Noor Khan, PAF's commander-in-chief during the 1965 war, once said, "My challenge wasn't how to send my pilots into war, it was how to hold them back." After meeting several frontline PAF pilots recently, I can confidently say the current Air Chief may be facing a similar challenge. In war, it's not just weapons that matter, it's the mindset of the military leadership. Just recently, Indian Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh admitted, and I quote, "I need platforms to stay relevant and deter the enemy. We haven't even received the 40 Tejas jets ordered in 2016. End quote. Contrast that with Pakistan Air Chief Marshal Zahid Ahmed Baba Sidhu, a man we've known for nearly 40 years, calm under pressure yet fierce in action, said, quote, "PAF is fully prepared to meet national expectations and surprise the enemy when tested." Unquote. Today, the PAF can complete full war deployment within 6 to 8 hours, from snow-capped mountains to the seas. This includes not only fighter jets but AWACS, air refuelers, electronic warfare aircraft, and air defense systems. A silent revolution has taken place, with 200 plus JF-17s and J-10C jets, equipped with ISA radars, helmet-mounted sights, and PL-15 missiles. PAF pilots now possess unmatched first look, lock, and shoot capabilities in the region. F-16s and Mirages, still in action, bring decades of battle-tested experience. And now, the HQ-98 hypersonic missiles with stealth and anti-jamming features give Pakistan a significant edge. In record time, the PAF has mastered cyber warfare, space tech, and advanced EW platforms. Add to that, killer drones and long-range UAVs like Akinji and Shahpur 2, capable of precision strikes without pilots. PAF's warfighting doctrine has evolved from aerial denial to strategic deterrence, and now credible first strike readiness. If conflict breaks out again and it starts in the air, here's where PAF holds a clear edge. Realistic, relentless training, seamless integration of assets and sensors, fast, fact-based decision-making, and resilience under pressure. Both India and Pakistan are nuclear states. In such a scenario, misreading intentions or acting on poor assumptions could lead to unwarranted escalation, or worse, a nuclear mistake. If Indian leadership thinks it can deliver a decisive strike, they should know the PAF has already prepared a detailed, calculated list of strategic targets for any level of escalation. The people of both nations want peace, but if Indian leadership gets swept up by the frenzy of over 900 plus TV channels, this region could be dragged into chaos. And if danger approaches our skies, the PAF's silent readiness will erupt like a thunder. Long live the Pakistan Air Force, Pakistan Zindabad, Pak Fizaya Paindabad.